The Ralston Process Meter LC30 is a panel-mounted, reference-grade digital gauge designed for lab and OEM applications. It has all the options of our field gauge LC20, but optimized for fixed installation in panels and enclosures. The LC30 process meter is designed to run on AC power and includes country adapters for North America, Europe, the UK, Australia, and China. In the event of a power outage, backup power is provided by two commonly available AAA batteries. The optional wireless connection allows you to connect to the FieldLab desktop software from up to 300 feet or 100 meters away for remote configuration and logging. For simple data logging applications, you can monitor and log the readings of your connected LC30 right on your PC and export the data for use in other systems. The LC30 is available in a variety of models. Gauges are available in 11 pressure ranges from 5 to 10,000 psi, a combination pressure vacuum gauge from negative to positive 15 psi, and a vacuum gauge measuring up to 30 inches of mercury vacuum for a variety of applications. Pressure measurement accuracy is plus or minus 0.1% of full scale, which is ASME Grade 4A, or ISO Class 0.1. The case of the Process Meter LC30 is made of a tough powder-coated aluminum that stands up to abuse and cracking. This keeps the internal components functioning with precision, even in extreme conditions. The gauge has a 4.2-inch diameter mounting flange and comes with hardware to easily mount in a test panel or enclosure. With a bright backlight, the LCD display is large and easy to read in broad daylight or low light situations. The dedicated backlight button makes turning on the backlight fast and simple. Quickly zero the gauge before taking readings by briefly holding down the zero button. To track maximum and minimum readings, hold the high-low button to reset and start tracking the low and high value. Tap the high-low button to cycle through the current high, low, and live readings. To access the range of features on your LC30, hold the menu button to activate the menu and cycle through your LC30 options. Pressure readings are available in 15 different units, or create your own custom pressure units. Temperature units are available in 4 different units. For multi-sensor models, tap the menu button to cycle between the different pressure or temperature readings. You can easily manage the settings on your Process Meter LC30 with the included FieldLab desktop software on your PC. Connect the Process Meter LC30 using the included micro USB cable, or for the wireless model, use the included USB wireless dongle for long-range monitoring of your readings up to 300 feet away. If your installation doesn't have AC power, optimizing battery life is easy by setting the backlight brightness and on time depending on your application needs. The auto shutoff time can also be adjusted. Measurement units can be added or deleted from the Units menu. This customizes the gauge to your needs, displaying only those units necessary for your application. Custom engineering units can also be created and added to your gauge. Like all Ralston products, the LC30 is rugged and easy to service with common tools. It has an ingress protection rating of IP67 for protection from harmful dust or immersion in water up to 1 meter, so the internal components are protected from the elements. Made in the USA, the Ralston Process Meter LC30 is an exceptional choice when you need a panel-mounted and extremely precise reference that can be used how you work, wirelessly or hardwired. To learn more about the LC30 and find a distributor near you, visit our website at ralstoninst.com.